Warning, warning, warning. Having a product recalled due to a safety problem can destroy a company's brand and irreparably ruin customer trust. But many companies still leave quality to the very end, rather than designing it into their product from the beginning of the process. As a result, they are left scrambling to fix issues that are identified later in the new product introduction process, or NPI process, which can be very costly, especially if tools need to be reworked or modified, components have long lead times, or if inventory itself needs to be reworked at the factory or the warehouse. Worse yet, if the product has already shipped and identifying the issue has taken a long time, there could be a high volume of defective products already in the field, leading to a recall and opening your brand to ridicule.